Sup retards. In the last few videos I showed y'all what to do if you think a stock is going to go up or down. Today we're going to be looking at two strategies where you'll profit if this stock goes sideways. They're called iron condors and butterflies. They're both somewhat similar since you want the stock to stay between two strike prices, but they're also very different. So let's take a look at the two. So you're going to want to buy an iron condor or a butterfly on a stock that you don't think is going to go up bigly or down. So a nice slow-moving, non-volatile stock. So, in our case, I think Tesla's going to be a good bet, just because they don't have any news or any big events coming up in the future, and they're generally just known for being a pretty gradual grower. So, how are we going to enter this? Well, we're going to pick a strike price that we don't think it's going to go above. So, let's say 2,300. Let's say 23 or 22.35. So we're going to buy this, and then we're going to sell this. And that's going to be a call credit spread, right? So we're going to go over to the put side, and we're going to do the same. We're going to do a put credit spread. And that's going to be, let's see, what strike do we not think it'll go under? Probably 21.80. So now we get $463 in credit. And this is going to require a $500 collateral. Now, why is it $500? We have two credit spreads, so it should be $1,000, right? Well, these can't be in the money at the same time, so we only have to put up the collateral for one. So it's only going to ask us for $20 in collateral. If you look here, see, collateral 500, and then we get 30. So we only have to actually put down 30, now 7 of our own money. Because we get this credit, and then we have to put down the rest for collateral. And if it stays between these two strike prices, we keep that premium and we get back our collateral. So, how does a butterfly work? Well, we're going to go ahead and cancel this order, and we're going to open a debit spread this time for calls. So, what do we think it'll stay above? Let's say 22.10. So we're gonna buy a 22.10 call. This is $13,000. So to hedge against it, we're going to sell a 22.50 call, and that will. Now let's do 22.75. And now we have a debit spread, but this is still pretty expensive. So we're actually gonna edit the ratio. We're going to sell 2 of these. So sell 2 of these. And if we continue, now we get 7,425 in credit. And we can buy a strike price. So 210. That's $65 higher. So about, is that right? Let's see if it asks for collateral. I'm not doing the math on that shit. So this is going to cost us $300, and okay, we do have to put $500 in collateral for this. So it doesn't have a 45, but if they did have a 23.45 strike, this would be a butterfly. So if we go down one, this is what's known as a broken wing butterfly. This is going to only cost us $1,000, but this is essentially 2 debit spreads. So even if it goes above these prices, we'll make money. On a normal butterfly, if it goes above this strike price, these will get assigned, and they'll have the same difference in strikes from the buy leg, the 2 sell legs, and the other buy leg. So if it goes above your 2 sell legs, you'll actually be at a full loss. But for broken wing, you'll get paid for this one too. And that's pretty much it. See you, fags.